Ready to unlock a whole new level of effortless shopping by connecting Klarna to your Apple Wallet. First, open the Klarna app on your iPhone and ensure you are logged in. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store once logged in. Navigate to the My Klarna section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the Klarna card option. It may say Add to Apple Wallet or Manage Klarna Card. Tap on this to proceed. You'll see a screen detailing the benefits of adding your Klarna card to Apple Wallet. This allows you to make secure, contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button, which is usually a prominent button at the bottom of your screen. Apple Wallet will now open, and you'll see your Klarna card displayed. Review the card details to ensure they are correct. Then, tap the Agree to Terms and Conditions button. You'll be prompted to authenticate by using Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone's passcode. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. And that's it. Your Klarna card is now successfully added to Apple Wallet. You can now use Klarna at any terminal that accepts Apple Pay. Enjoy the convenience of paying with Klarna using Apple Wallet. This makes splitting payments seamless.